This is Jamieson Vitamin D3. This is 2-pack. And here is that a lot of Canadians lack vitamin D because we are not exposing to the sun enough. I think even though it says especially for Canadians, but most people that they're not exposing to the sun as much as they need it. Because very few foods naturally contains vitamin D, we have to produce it under the sun. And I have a doctor friend. He said lots of people have like something like pretty bad illness like cancer, like mental health, more or less related to the lack of vitamin D3. So it's been my family daily vitamins. We usually take 2. So especially in the winter time, we take 2 a day. And in the summer, we take 1 a day. So let's open the package. Actually, the pill is very small. So each vitamin D3 contains 1,000 units. So let's check that the pill is really small and it's very easy to take. Just remember, at least 1 D3 a day. It will support your immune system, improve your bone and dental health. It's very important to our health. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.